Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Lineman's Buttset. It's a TS22. This equipment belongs to Charles from Illinois. We want to go through a little bit about what's going on with this unit. It does not work, so none of the functions work and the unit is not turning on. We want to go ahead and troubleshoot this unit. We want to check his primary battery, so we will be checking that battery and any issues that we find while we're into the unit. Now, they coat everything on these TS22s with an epoxy, and it makes it very difficult to change the primary battery or even any of the components on the main PC boards. When we troubleshoot this unit, if we find that the primary battery is bad, we're going to go ahead and replace the primary battery, but we're also going to install a socket for that primary battery so that it can be changed in the future with no problems. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool TS22 Lineman's Buttset, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the repair and conversion process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we're finished up with the repair and conversion of this really cool TS22. Now, the primary battery, turns out it was bad. That has been replaced, and we also installed a primary battery socket so that the battery can be replaced at any time. Now what we want to do is go ahead and use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. Now you notice our LED light is on. Green is an indication of proper polarity. If the red was on, that would be an indication of improper polarity. And we have our line that's outgoing set up for improper polarity so that you can see the LEDs switch back and forth as we move to a different line. We'll go ahead and give some amplification. The 9-volt battery in this unit reads 9 volts, but the amperage is not really there. So the battery should be replaced in the future. Go ahead and turn our amplification on. And when we do, the LED indicator will go out. And that's just to show you that your amplification is on. And now our amplification is off and our LED light is back. We're going to go ahead and walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the unit. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, That's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello? Hello. Go ahead and turn our unit off. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and move the line over to an outgoing line, and we'll call a time and temp number. And you will also notice that our red LED light will come on for improper polarity. Go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. So here's the time and temperature. Just stay on the line. Today is Monday, September 25th. The current time, 5:14 p.m. And the temperature, 82 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang our unit up. We also want to take our amplification off. Now that we know that this really cool TS22 Lineman's Buttset has been repaired and converted, we can return this unit back to Charles, and he can put this TS22 back in service in the field. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.